folks, this is something special. Dave Castine, Vintage Cars Online. 2005 Dodge Viper truck, SRT10. Some nice subtle mods. 60,000 mile, 4-owner truck. You can see it's got some tinted headlights. The grill has been painted black, the lower grill as well as the top grill. Mirrors and door handles, body color. Custom paint on the condenser. Silicone hoses. Got a cam in it. Springs. Silicone hoses. I said that already. Ceramic coated headers. KN. Cold air intake. Straight as an arrow. Factory wheels, powder coated black. Decals put on the red calipers. This is a 6-speed manual, which all the two-doors were. It's got the early style roll-up bed cover. It's got a carpet inside the bed with a bed liner or a bed mat. Listen to that cam, man. Could be literally a daily driver. It runs that nice. It's pretty quiet inside. All hell breaks loose when you get on it. But frame's all painted, very, very nicely detailed. See if I can get in underneath here and show you some. It's got the Caltrax rear suspension. Very nicely done on the underneath. Super clean truck. It's got about 500 miles on the refresh. All the undercarriage paint, motor. Get inside. It's actually starting to sprinkle right now, so gotta hustle. Per short throw shifter. Excuse my bag over there. Upgraded stereo system. There's the miles, 61,000. 6-speed manual, man. Real cars have 3 pedals. www.vintagecarsonline.com 617-513-7407. Have a great day, folks.